ALDI Mobile's data bank allows you to roll over up to 5 gigabytes of unused high-speed data each month on their unlimited plans. Since mid-2023, ALDI Mobile eliminated the previous 3-month expiration, meaning your banked data rolls over indefinitely until used or your account is closed. So, why isn't your data rolling over? The most common reasons are: 1. You're not on an unlimited plan. Lower tier plans don't qualify. 2. An app glitch is preventing accurate tracking. Or 3. A billing issue has temporarily suspended your service. This section covers how to check if you are on an eligible plan and the common mistakes people make. To fix rollover issues, first ensure you're on a qualifying unlimited plan. Check your account details through the My ALDI Mobile app or website. Try restarting the My ALDI Mobile app. This often clears temporary glitches. Log out of the app and log back in. This refreshes your account data. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version on iOS or Android. Verify your device is connected to Verizon's network for proper data banking. Check for any outstanding payments that might have suspended your service. If issues persist, contact ALDI Mobile Customer Service at 1-855-255-0343. For system glitches, submit a support ticket, usually resolved within 24 to 48 hours.